Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. Today I'm at an airport on the way to Scottsdale, Arizona, which is in Phoenix. We splurged a little bit on this plane ticket. We are going to be flying in a jet. Splurge means that you spend a little bit more money than you normally would. Let me show you the plane. There's the plane over there. It is a small jet and it will only take about an hour and a half to get from Los Angeles to Scottsdale. Please like this video and click subscribe, and I can't wait to show you Scottsdale. Hello again. We are in Scottsdale in the hotel. I will give you a tour. First, let me figure out how to turn on the bathroom light. Here we go. Pretty roomy bathroom. Roomy means that there's a lot of room, a lot of space. Oh, we have a stand-up shower, separate toilet area, a hot tub, and a double sink. I think sometimes they call these sinks a his and her sink. I love hotels with large counter spaces because I have a lot of toiletries in this bag, as you saw in my previous video. Hi. And here is the room, large, maybe king-size bed, I think. Here's the patio. I'm going to open the patio door by sliding the glass door open. First, I need to unlatch the lock. It's really hot here, so we will probably be staying indoors in the AC most of the day. I think that is the residences of this hotel resort. We are paying for the mountain view. As you can see, the mountain here is very desert-like. There are cacti scattered throughout the mountaintops. Cacti. Have you heard of this term? Cacti is the plural form of cactus. Down below, I have no idea what this is. So we could have breakfast here. We could have a cocktail here, although I don't think I will be drinking too much, if at all. While we're waiting for my husband, I will describe my surroundings. This is a bedside table. Bedside meaning it is beside the bed. This is a lamp, and this is the lampshade. Who knows what this is called? This thing that I would like for you to tell me is on the back side of the bed. So comment below if you know what this is called. We are waiting to go to this restaurant. It's a Mediterranean restaurant. However, they don't open until 4 p.m. So we are going to walk around the property and I will give you a tour. Doesn't this look like Hawaii? Looks like this is the pool area and this is the patio of the restaurant. Everything in Arizona has this tan color or a beige color, and then there's the cactus. So it's beige and green. As expected, the pool area is busy because it's so hot outside. I personally do not like laying by a pool. I get a little antsy, which means my body wants to move around and I do not know how to sit still. Here are some banquet tables. There may be an event later tonight, perhaps a birthday party or maybe a wedding party. We are going to order a golf cart to take us to another restaurant because the restaurant that we were going to eat at, the Mediterranean one, doesn't open until 5. Here we go. I have my hat tied around my chin because I don't want it to blow off. It is really hot outside. It's a lot of hot breeze blowing in my face. This is a perfectly manicured lawn, which means that it is kept well. This is the hotel's gym. Here are the residences, which basically means you can buy a house on the hotel resort property. This style of house is called contemporary. Ooh, the spa. Nice. Enjoy. Thank you. We're gonna eat at the 19th hole grill and patio. This is grass right here, and then over there is the turf, which is fake grass. They have a lot of fountains on this property. There's some mist coming out of these little holes up there to keep the customers cool. But I have to keep my camera away because it can't get wet. So they're closed? OMG. Can you believe it? This restaurant is closed today. We can't win. Have you ever heard of that term, we can't win? It means that you hope for something to happen, but over and over again, it's not able to happen. I think that's the easiest way to explain it. So we are heading back towards the lobby to hopefully get a little snack at the lobby bar before we actually sit down and eat at that Mediterranean restaurant. We just walked through the spa. I love the way spas smell. So here's the other side of the pool. Oh, there's a slide. Wow. Are we allowed to do that? That looks fun. I haven't ridden on a pool slide in a very long time. I'm walking over the bridge to go to the main hotel lobby. We finally sat down. We're at the hotel lobby bar and we are going to have a little appetizer. Then we will head back downstairs to eat real dinner, Mediterranean food. I'm super excited because I'm really hungry. Please like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!